Welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY paper rose. So I previously did a video on a DIY headpiece. Some of you had questions. How did I make the paper roses that I used to decorate the headpiece? And I'm here to answer that question by doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a DIY paper rose. That's what I'm going to be showing you today. Step 1. Draw out the flower shapes on the Manila paper. So the flower shapes are going to be drawn in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. I had cut out some templates previously. So what we're going to do is trace out these shapes. So you're going to cut out one of the petals, and then you're going to go tracing each of the sizes as we go. So this is the medium piece. The previous one was the large piece. And for the small petals, you're going to need 8 pieces. So you're going to cut out 8 small pieces. And then for the medium petals, you're going to need 12 pieces. So you're going to cut out 12 pieces of the medium petals. So lastly, you're going to need 6 pieces of the large petals. So you're going to cut out 6 pieces of these. Step 2. So what we're going to do now is cut out each of these shapes, and then we're going to use this as the petals. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do to each of the petals is we're going to use a pencil or a bamboo skewer to curl the petals inwards. So we're going to curl the petals inwards to make them look like a flower. So as you can see on the table, I've already curled all the petals that I'm going to use for this project, and I have my glue gun as usual ready to stick the petals together and make this a beautiful piece. So the rosebud will be made by attaching the small petals together. So what we're going to do is we're going to first stick 2 petals together like that. This side should be the side that you want to be seen. Then stick another 2 together and then make a cross. Yeah. So you see, as you can see, it looks like a cross. So then we're gonna put the petals together. So once you're done making the first rosebud, attach the middle petals to make another rosebud that's going to cover this bud. So once you've placed the petals, you're going to place your finger in the middle of the petal, and then please put some hot glue on the sides of the petal and attach to the rosebud like that. So let me show it to you practically. I'll first start by putting my hot glue on the sides of the petal. As you can see, my hot glue is only on the sides of the petal. So I'm going to place my finger in the middle, and then I'm going to do So we're going to do exactly that for the rest of the petals as we go. Attach the large petals. So I've already attached all my medium-sized petals, and this is how the rose looks. Amazing, right? Anyway, I just want to show you how I'm going to be attaching the large petals. This is going to be a bit different from the medium petals because I'm going to be attaching them at every point like that. I'm going to go around the rose, yeah? So what you're going to do is, this is the stem of the rose. So you're going to be attaching it in a way that the stem is what is covered here, and then the rest of the piece is out, showing here. Yeah. So there you have it, a DIY paper rose. Make sure you check out that video. It's at the end. It's going to be at the end of this video. Make sure you check it out, where I made a DIY headpiece using this beautiful paper roses. I hope you loved this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't get to miss any of my awesome videos.